Colleen here, DIYer behind LemonThistle.com, and today I'm excited to share some personalized Father's Day gift ideas with you guys. Like these. So the gift ideas that I've come up with, I really love the idea of doing daddy and me gift ideas. As a mom, I mean, I want everything mommy and me, so maybe it's a little bit selfish, but I think that they're amazing. So for this video, the girls from the Modern Handmade Home series have partnered with Personalization Mall, who we love. We partnered with them at Christmas as well to share personalized Christmas decor ideas, and now Father's Day gift ideas. Before we get into it, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would so love if you did that below so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. All right, so I chose two different kinds of gift ideas for this Daddy and Me gift guide, and I'm obsessed with them both. The first one are these travel bags. These are duffel bags that are perfect for vacations, for our family, and we've got them all personalized with our last name and in their favorite colors. So Shane's got his hockey team orange here, and then the boys all have different colors of blue so they can tell theirs apart. And then of course Aubrey's got the polka dots. The only thing that I don't like about these bags is that I didn't think to order one for myself. So now I am the odd man out with no cool luggage. I should probably fix that. I am extra excited about these bags because this year on Father's Day, we are taking a little road trip. We're going up to visit Shane's brother. It is like an 11-hour drive. And so now they all have matching luggage for their Father's Day trip. So it was really great timing. We have a duffel bag that has the pastor name on it from a wedding that Shane was in years and years ago, and it now has a blown zipper, and so we're excited to be able to replace that. We use that on all of our short weekend trips or just overnights. The matching duffel bags that we got for the boys, those quilted ones, are really, really nice. They were way more affordable than the Nike one that we got for Shane, but they are bigger and they have pockets and they are perfect for a longer vacation. And I'm really excited to pack those for the 5 days that we're going away over Father's Day. We chose to do last names on all of the bags, and we just did different color threads and different fonts for the boys so that they could tell theirs apart. Aubrey got kind of the special one with the polka dots, and it's really sweet. She knew exactly which one was hers and was just so excited. Of course, I love this Nike one. Shane has had a similar duffel bag in the past for the gym, and Nike's always great quality, and the embroidery looks really awesome on the end of the bag here. But I was so pleasantly surprised with these quilted duffel bags as well. Like, for the price, they're a really great deal, and I will definitely be keeping these ones in mind for gifts in the future because, again, they just look so rad for the price. The second gift idea that I came up with is personalized tools, and so I did this two different ways. For Shane, I got a really rad Carhartt tool bag so that he can bring his tools around the house as he's working on projects, and then I got Calder a personalized toolkit for him too. He is too young to use real tools. We let our other three kids use real tools and kind of help out with real stuff, but Calder's too young and doesn't get not to hit everything with the hammer. So this is fun for him to have his own little toolkit and to be able to participate. And it's just so cute to watch him working on that while Shane works on the other house projects. So this is a great size. It holds all of his tools that he likes to carry around while he's doing different house projects, like putting up window trim, which has been down for months. And I really love the way that it looks embroidered. We just put Dad's tools on there to keep it nice and simple, and I love how that turned out. Going along with the personalized tools, there are tons of different tools that you can get personalized. I chose to get a tape measure just because my kids think that they're the best thing to play with, and we got one for Emmett and for my dad that are matching for them to give on Father's Day because Emmett really loves to work in my dad's garage, in his shop. He even has a cabinet with his own little drawer for all of his tools and all of his projects. So this is a really sweet little gift that we can give to him. And I don't know anybody that can't use another tape measure for another part of their house. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. Also, if you want more personalized gift ideas, make sure to hop around and check out the other videos in the playlist. We have all of our Modern Handmade Home videos in a playlist to make them super easy to find. Some of them are going to be DIYs, some of them are home decor, some of them are gift guides like this. but all of them are pretty awesome, and I think that you'll like the other girls there too. Big thank you to Personalization Mall for sponsoring this video and sending these rad items for us to give for Father's Day. We'll see you guys next time.